Hey folks, this is Jay Pac-Man here bringing you another pool cleaning, pool repair video. Today we're going to be talking about some tips and tricks related to your heat pump. So, first thing, when you're coming up and you're wondering if my heater's working, come to your control system if you have a control system. If not, you'll go to the heater and we'll go over that in just a second. You're going to come, it's going to be an auto. If it's an Aqualink or a Pentair or a Hayward, they all are going to start out in auto. You're going to push one of the keys and bring it down to service mode. You're going to turn your filter pump back on, and you're going to push your heater button. Now, in some cases, your heater's going to turn on immediately. In this case, most AquaCals will turn on immediately, at least their fan. The compressor's not going to start for 5 minutes. Every heater has a 5-minute delay when it comes to the compressor. This is a special case. This one's been rewired a couple of times, and I recently replaced the control system, the main board, and the display board. So, as far as it goes on this one's a little different. Normally, the fan would be on already, but in 5 minutes, this fan is going to turn on. So, and what you're going to see when the fan or when the compressor turns on is you're going to see this heating button is going to light up. If we're at desired temperature, this light is going to light up. If you're in heating mode, that light. If you're in cooling mode, this light. If you're in pool, this one, and if you're in spa, this one. Now, because I'm hooked up to a control system, I'm not going to touch any of the buttons here, because if you touch the buttons on a system that's hooked up to a control system, you may inadvertently take it out of the control mode. So, I'm not going to touch this one because I just got done hooking it back up to that Aqualink right there. But if you wanted to turn on your pool heater and the breaker was on from here, you would just slide to unlock, press the mode button, go to heating, press the mode button until you get to heating, press the up arrow key, then it's on heating. If you want to go to cooling, you press the down arrow key to select your desired body of water that you want to heat, or basically just another thermostat setting. You would switch between the pool and spa buttons. Use the up and down arrow keys when you're on pool or spa to dictate what temperature you want to go to. But when you're hooked up to a control system, you never have to touch this, because the control system's job is to control the heater. So we're going to program for this guy, 85 degrees is what we're going to set the pool to, and 104 is what we're going to set the spa to. And so then when we press the heating button, which you can see the light is lit up for the heater, it's going to, via a small low voltage wire right here, is going to trigger the unit to turn on. And you're going to see here in just a minute, this unit's going to turn on. Other things to know about your pool heater. If you have a heat pump style pool heater like this one, they're basically a giant air conditioner, but working in the reverse. Instead of putting cold air into the pool or cold air into your house, it's putting warm water into the pool or warm water into your house. So out of this fan, you can easily feel above it when it's on, you'll feel cool air, feeling like it's been air conditioned, not just like a fan is blowing it. What's going on is this outside exchanger is becoming cool. That's giving your temperature differential via the Freon. The warm air is going to pass through this cold fin stack, and condensation is going to occur. Up to 5 gallons an hour. It's very common. You can see here, from when it was running in the past, a little bit of mold from it. This is very normal. Every heat pump style pool heater is going to condensate. The amount depends on the area, the humidity, and the temperature. That's how they work. As far as it goes, other advice for homeowners. If you think your pool heater is leaking, turn it off for a day and have a look inside. Turn on the pool pump, and if you don't see any water coming out and it's dry in there, you don't have a leak. It's just condensation. It's very, very common. I get calls, my heater's leaking, my heater's leaking, my heater's leaking. And I come out there, I turn off their heater, and I go, where is it leaking from? And they go, I don't know, that's why I called you. I go, it's not leaking from anywhere. So, there's our heater on. I think that this should establish for anyone in question that this heater is hooked up to that Aqualink right there. And now the heating light is on and the heater is heating. I hope this has been informative, and hopefully you can save yourself $90 instead of having to have me come out there and reprogram your heater or tell you that your heater's not leaking. Thanks for watching.